Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya Roy and you are watching Edunation Ecofunomics. Today's topic of discussion is teachers' pets.
B, C, D, E, F, G.
So personally, I have spent 3 years of my life into the academics. Currently, I'm a research scholar and my entire career and profession is being that an educator. So, do teachers have pets? Yes, they do. And no matter how much we say that no, there is no favorism, no, we do not love a student more than the other, we do. And there are psychological reasons to it. So let's get deep into it. So why teachers have pets? This is a very simple question which has a very simple answer. You do that, I do that. When we select friends, there are certain people with whom you can relate and mentally connect to better. So when she or he enters your classroom, she in her head knows that she has chosen a profession in which she is supposed to teach students, for which she will drive a salary. Now in a class of 50 or so, if there are 3 or 4 or 5 for that matter, who is more obedient, who is more disciplined, who just gives more concentration to her studies, she feels more comfortable based on those 5 students to come and teach in that classroom. So it is basically a motive, a goal, an aim to continue her job perfectly, especially for those 5 students, because as teachers, as professors, we have chosen to teach students, and when the same ideology is reflected from the student, we tend to connect better. So how can you become a teacher's pet? Well, there is a few steps you can do to become her pet, but let's just break it down to 2 things. Firstly, your teacher knows you already prior to this video, so she already knows that you have misbehaved, you have purposely skipped her class, or you have not performed well enough in her studies, or her subject is just not that important to you. So under such a scenario, it is a little difficult. But let's just begin that now you have a new teacher and you want to become her or his pet. So what do? Never miss her class, never skip her class. Like for example, you're in the college campus and you are skipping the class, that is going to create a bad impression. Be more obedient, be more respectful. Make her job a little easier from your end. If you have a doubt, definitely ask, but just to irritate her, just to push your boundaries, please do not make her job difficult, because that is what she or he is doing for her living, just like whatever your parents are doing for their living. So if a student makes the classroom area, the classroom dirty, ugly, disrespectful, it just pushes you out of her or his professional boundary, and you will never be able to seek the benefits which a teacher can give you, like a letter of recommendation, like those additional marks for cleanliness in your exam papers, or some slight spelling mistakes. So I know this might sound a little biased, but yes, it is true in most places, until and unless your name is hidden from the examination sheet. So try doing that. Now for the fact that if you have been an old student and now you want to seek confidence in your teacher, you want your teacher to have confidence in you, what do? It might take few weeks, few months. You have to show that your interests in the subject has increased. You have to show that you are more respectful towards your teacher. So you need to take responsibility of your career. The more responsible you are, the more the teacher thinks that you are into career, academics, so on so forth, and you're more obedient, more responsible in general about your life, and the teacher will come forth to help you. Trust me, he will. Within a month or so, hopefully your teacher might like you better and you can become his or her pet. things which you need to know as a student. Your teacher has a personal life. Please do not interfere. She can have a love life. Please do not mock or tease her if you see her somewhere with, her husband or his wife or fiance, somebody in a more public place. Do not be disrespectful. They are humans. They can have families and they can have and enjoy life. You might find your teacher in a less modest dress, like for example, you might find her in a cinema theater, you might find her in a mall, you might find her even on the beaches. So be more respectful, please. So basically, they have a life, let them live it and enjoy it. Apart from that, if you like the video, please hit a like button and join the family. Subscribe and join the family, and I'll see you soon. Until then, toodles.